In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or hide the grid lines and rulers in Adobe Acrobat. These features are non-printable visual aids that assist in aligning elements when you're editing a PDF. While they are incredibly useful for design and layout purposes, sometimes you might just want a cleaner view without these guides cluttering the screen. So let's dive into how to turn these off. Firstly, you'll need to access the View menu. Start by opening your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. As soon as it's open, direct your attention to the upper part of the screen. There's a top menu bar there. Click on the View option. This is the gateway to modifying different display settings in Adobe Acrobat. Now, once you have the View drop-down menu open, you'll want to focus on finding the Show Hide submenu. It's easy to locate. Simply hover your mouse over the Show Hide option. Doing this will reveal another tier of options that include different visual elements you can toggle on or off. The next step is where we focus on disabling rulers and grids. Inside this submenu, hover your cursor over the Rulers and Grids option. This will allow you to access two main features: grids, which show up as a pattern of alignment dots, and rulers, which appear as measurement bars on the top and left sides of your screen. If the display you see consists of alignment dots or a grid pattern, you're going to want to click on Rulers and Grids, or you can choose to use the convenient shortcut Ctrl+U. Doing so will remove the checkmark next to this option, which effectively hides the grid. However, if the lines on your document are extending from measurement bars, those rulers we talked about, you'll have to deactivate those too. Just click on the Rulers option within the same submenu. It's a quick action that will remove these visible cues from view. Keep in mind that once the check mark is gone, the respective line or grid will vanish from your document view, leaving you with a nice clean surface to work on. And there you have it. That's all there is to hiding the rulers and grids in Adobe Acrobat. If you find yourself needing a more streamlined view for creativity or focus, these steps will help clear away visual noise so you can concentrate on what matters most. Should you have any other tasks to perform in Adobe Acrobat, these view setting options are a good starting point to customize your workspace.